The best TVs under $1,000 or under 80,000 Indian rupees gives you the great value, providing you the best quality and features. Everybody wants a good TV, but not everyone can afford to spend thousands of rupees on the premium TVs. But you can skip some extras without losing the most important features by checking out the list of best TVs under $1,000 or under 80,000 rupees in this video. So to help you out in choosing the best one, we have made a list of top 5 best TVs that you can buy under a price range of $1,000 or 80 to 90,000 Indian rupees. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which TV did you like the most. Don't forget to hit that like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe my channel. Samsung 65-inch TU8000 series TV. And this TV is for those who want to save without skipping on resolution upgrades and also for the gamers who are on budget. Samsung's affordable TV doesn't skimp on resolution with the Crystal processor powered 4K display with the automatic upscaling for content. The Crystal label also extends to the TV's color range and color tuning, giving you superior, accurate colors so you can enjoy visuals as they were meant to be seen. Speaking of, this model also comes with the HDR support, so the content that offers HDR optimization will look even better with no need to change any settings on your own. The TV comes with a Samsung's One remote, which can be programmed to control multiple smart devices. But if you prefer to avoid using remotes as much as possible, it also supports both Alexa and Samsung's Bixby voice assistant for quick commands. Plus, you have the settings like auto game mode, which makes automatic changes to minimize input lag, will pair perfectly with the consoles also. The design is also superb, which includes slim, bezel-less design, sturdy support and the nifty track to hide cables so they won't dangle behind the TV. Links are given in the description for various countries. You can check the price of these TVs and buy it from there. TCL 5 Series Roku TV. This TV is for anyone who needs a new TV and doesn't want to spend a lot of money, and this TV is amazing, cost you under even $500 or under 50,000 Indian rupees. TCL has proven over and over again that it makes the most affordable high quality TVs on the planet. Right now, the best example of that is the TCL 5 series. TCL basically took all the qualities of the last year's 6 series and repackaged them into even more affordable model. What you get is a bright, colorful image thanks to its quantum dot enhanced backlight, deep blacks and screen size that will find a home anywhere from the bedroom to the basement. It supports Dolby Vision and HDR10, the two most common flavors of HDR. It has an excellent 4K upscaler so that your non-4K content looks as good as possible, and it's gamer friendly with an auto game mode that provides low input lag and fast response times. 4 HDMI ports give you plenty of connection options, including HDMI ARC, which lets you connect an AV, receiver or soundbar with just a single cable. The disappointing thing here is there is no Dolby Atmos support. Because it's a Roku TV, the whole experience is powered by Roku's incredible, simple yet powerful software with thousands of streaming applications available. LG Ultra HD 70 series 75-inch 4K HDR TV. And this TV is for anyone who is looking for a massive TV that doesn't require a conversation with your financial advisor. And this TV is for anyone like dedicated gamers who are looking to breathe fresh life into their gaming station. Sometimes there is simply no substitute for size. If a big TV is what you want, this LG Ultra HD 70 series is your biggest bang for the buck. With a monstrous Super Bowl ready 75-inch off-screen real estate for well under $1,000 or under 80 to 90,000 Indian rupees. But there is more to this TV than a big screen. It is also a great choice for gamers. That's partly because of the size, but also because of its low input lag and its automatic low latency mode. It is also one of the few TVs that supports the HGIG recommendation for HDR gaming. In other words, it will be able to communicate with the next-gen game console to maximize the image quality of HDR game. Apple device owners will like the fact that this TV has Apple AirPlay 2 and HomeKit on board, making it easy to share phone and tablet content on the big screen and control the TV via Apple Siri. The LG 70 series all runs on LG's WebOS, a very easy to use smart TV system that has hundreds of popular streaming applications such as Netflix, Disney+, Amazon Prime Video and many more. Hisense H9G, and this TV is for those who want to place their TV anywhere and still want to get the top-notch picture quality. One of the keys to good picture quality, especially when watching the HDR content, is the brightness. If your TV can't get bright enough, you won't see as many colors and it won't produce sufficient contrast. In a darkened room, this won't be a problem, but in a room where you will get a lot of natural light, you won't get a bright display or you miss some of the colors. That's where the 65-inch Hisense H9G Quantum HDR TV shines. It is one of the brightest TVs we have ever seen. At this price point, it is the best one. That extra brightness and impressive dark performance too really comes in handy when watching content in Dolby Vision or HDR10, which the H9G support. Better yet, Hisense makes getting the most out of the H9G very easy. Hisense H9G uses the Google created Android TV operating system, which means it has a Google Assistant built in, as well as Chromecast. The only thing you should be aware of before buying the Hisense H9G is that it's not ideal if you want to be future-proof for gaming. It doesn't have any HDMI 2.1 ports and no gaming features like variable refresh rate or automatic low latency mode. TCL 6 Series 4K HDR TV. Anyone who is looking for the best possible picture quality and features for the lowest price possible, this is the best TV for you. There are hundreds of TVs available for less than $1,000 or less than 80,000 Indian rupees, but none stand out as much as the TCL 65-inch 6 Series stands out. Previous 6 Series models were already so good, they completely changed our perception of the TCL brand, elevating it from so-so budget territory to the status of G9 competitor to brands such as LG, Samsung and Sony. This 6 Series solidifies that reputation largely thanks to the TCL's pioneering efforts with the mini LED backlighting. It effectively swapped hundreds of the large LED bulbs for many thousands of smaller LEDs, which gives the 6 Series the ability to control local dimming at granularity we have only seen once before. To say that it improves the picture quality is an understatement. It brings the QLED display closer to OLED performance. There is also plenty of formats supposed to love: Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, HDR10 and of course the excellent Roku OS running the show. Roku OS offers a ton of great features, from an intuitive interface to thousands of streaming apps. It is one-stop shop for live and on-demand content, providing an instant portal to the likes of Amazon Prime Video, HBO Go, Hulu, Sling TV, Netflix and Disney Star. So these are the top 5 best TVs that you can consider to buy under a price of $1,000 or under 80 to 90,000 Indian rupees. If I had left any of the best TV in this list, please comment in the comment section. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.